Morning children. Last class we had learned about the factors necessary for photosynthesis. Today we are going to learn the structure of chloroplast. Look at this picture. This is the cross section of a leaf. So we can see vascular bundles, xylem and phloem, small pore-like structure stomata, then upper epidermis, lower epidermis, and palisade cells. And from the cell or inside the cell we can see the chloroplast. See the structure of a chloroplast, double-layered membrane. It contains a double-layered membrane. Then fluid part is called stroma, and the back of membranous sac-like structure, that is called grana. നാണയം അടുക്കി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന പോലെ കാണുന്ന പാർട്ടാണ് ഗ്രാന. അപ്പോൾ these are the parts seen in the chloroplast. Name the parts seen in the chloroplast: double-layered membrane, stroma, and grana. So there are number of pigments present in the grana of the chloroplast. So these pigments can absorb sunlight. What is the peculiarity of this pigment? These pigments can absorb sunlight. So name the pigments present in the grana. They are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll. Here chlorophyll A only can directly participate in photosynthesis. Other pigments are helping pigments or accessory pigments. These pigments absorb sunlight and transfer it to chlorophyll A. So you should draw the picture of chloroplast in your science diary. You should write the different pigments in the chloroplast, and also you should write the accessory pigments and the role of pigments in photosynthesis. So അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഈ പച്ച നിറമുള്ള ലീഫിൽ മാത്രമല്ല എന്ത് നടക്കുന്നത്, ഫോട്ടോസിന്തസിസ് നടക്കുന്നത്. പച്ച നിറമുള്ള പ്ലാന്റ്സിൻ്റെ മറ്റ് ഭാഗത്തും എന്ത് നടക്കും, ഫോട്ടോസിന്തസിസ് നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ലീഫിൽ സൺലൈറ്റ് എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ. ഇനി എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് എത്തിച്ചേരേണ്ടത്? കാർബൺ ഡൈ ഓക്സൈഡ് ആൻഡ് വാട്ടർ. ദെൻ ഹൗ ഡസ് carbon dioxide reach inside the leaf? Carbon dioxide reach inside the leaf. എങ്ങനെയാണ് എത്തുന്നത്? From the atmosphere through the stomata it reaches the leaf. Then how does water reach the leaf? From the soil through the root and through the xylem vessel water reaches the leaf. You should draw this flow chart in your science diary. Okay.
Site of photosynthesis. The site of photosynthesis in plants is leaves, which contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll pigments are mainly present in cell organelles called plastid. In a cross-section of a leaf, plastids can be seen just below the upper epidermis as a tissue called palisade. Chloroplast consists of folded membranes. When stacked, they form structures called grana. Grana are interconnected by intergranal lamellae called as fret membrane. Grani are separated by a watery matrix called the stroma. The stroma is the sites of enzymes responsible for the reduction of carbon dioxide and numerous starch grains which are formed by photosynthesis. The grana sacs are known as thylakoids. The membranes of thylakoids are composed of several granules known as quantazome, each containing about 300 molecules of chlorophyll. This quantazome is the actual basic unit of photosynthesis.